Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Microsoft Edge browser on Honor Magic 4 Pro. So in order to do this, first let's open Google Play Store. From here find the app called Microsoft Edge. Hit the search button and install this app. After installation process is complete, you should be able to open this app. From here, you can sign in to turn on synchronization, set up for data sharing preferences, set the Edge as the default, and after that we can start browsing. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.